What does the vfxAlert Heatmap show? The heat maps display forecast accuracy based on historical and statistical data. To calculate this statistical data, we use completed signals from our database. We show how indicator values during different trading sessions affect the win rate. Heat map color scheme: red, accuracy below 50%, pink, up to 55%, orange, up to 60%, yellow, up to 65%, light green, up to 70%, green, above 70%. The greener the cell, the more historically profitable signals it has shown. How to use it correctly? Focus on the nearest time frames that match your signal's expiration time. 1 minute expiration, analyze M1, M5 mandatory, M15 recommended. 5 minute expiration, analyze M5, M15, M30. Longer time frames, M30, H1, H4, can be ignored for short-term trades. The heat map is not a prediction, it's a statistical context that helps you filter weak signals and strengthen strong ones. Combine it with signal power and you get a decision-making system, not just an up or down arrow.